Hey, today I'm here to talk about some interesting things about stress. No, don't worry, it's not some difficult science or a lecture. Instead, I'm going to share some secrets about how our bodies work. We all know that stress is bad, but is it really? Think of it this way. Stress is like our body's alarm system. Whenever it senses something is wrong, it immediately sounds a siren. The name of this siren is adrenaline. And when this siren goes off, our heart rate increases and our muscles get ready to run. Basically, the body says, get up, do something. The problem is, most of the stress in our lives is mental. You can't just run away when your boss scolds you, right? So that adrenaline just circulates in our body, making us feel restless. So, is there a way to turn off this siren? Yes, there is. And it's hidden right inside our bodies. Trick 1. The magic-like breath that calms everything in an instant. Scientists call it the physiological sigh. The name might sound difficult, but the action is very simple. We do it unconsciously when we cry a lot or are out of breath. It's quite interesting. When we inhale, our heart rate increases a little, and when we exhale, it decreases. So, the trick is to have a long exhale. How to do it? Take a long inhale through your nose, then pull in a little more air, as if you're filling your lungs completely. Now, exhale slowly and long through your mouth, like you're making an ah sound. Just do this 2 or 3 times, and you'll see how all the restlessness inside you calms down. That's because this double inhale opens up all the little sacs in our lungs, and the long exhale gets rid of all the stored up carbon dioxide from our body, which calms us down. Is stress always bad? No, not at all. Short-term stress, this is actually good for us. For instance, say you have a cold or an infection. The adrenaline released at that time wakes up our body's immune system and helps it fight off germs. So, a sudden burst of stress is our friend. Long-term stress. This is the real villain. If stress continues day after day, month after month, it destroys our body from the inside. So what's the way to escape this long-term stress? Scientists say the best medicine for it is human connection. When we spend time with loved ones, friends, or even pets, a chemical called serotonin is released in our brain. You can call it the feel-good hormone. It keeps our minds calm and protects us from the harmful effects of long-term stress. And yes, if the stress becomes too much, some natural things like ashwagandha or L-theanine can be used. But of course, only after talking to an expert. Final thoughts. So, what's the takeaway? There's no need to be afraid of stress. It's a language our body speaks. We just need to understand it. If it comes for a short while, thank it, because it's making you stronger. And if it wants to stay for too long, then take help from friends, family, and nature. We don't have control over everything. But we do have the power to take care of our own bodies, don't we? Which of these tricks did you find most interesting today? You can let me know in the comments. Stay well.